The weather is getting cooler, and we found one more butternut squash in the garden. So we're peeling it right now, and right here we have a leek, and I'll show you. Now we'll wash these really well, and in the meantime we're also going to cut the butternut squash, and with it we're going to make a delicious risotto. She could just come and pull a chair by the table and sit down with us for a delicious piatto di risotto with butternut squash. A quick drizzle of olive oil and a nice dusting of Parmigiano Reggiano. Buon appetito!